Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Maths paper 1 to October November 2019. Today we'll be going through Mathematics IGCSE paper 1 core 0580 to October November 2019. Question number 1, we'll have to simplify. We'll be adding like terms. So 5 plus 4 minus 2. So 9 minus 2 will be 7. So we can just add these two first. 9t minus 2t. This will be equal to 7t. So our answer will be 70. The lowest temperature recorded at this one is in Antarctica is minus 57.0 degrees Celsius, and the highest temperature is this one, more than this. So what is the highest temperature recorded? So it will be 60. We can write minus 57 plus 63.8. This will be equal to 6.8. So 6.8 degrees Celsius. Question number 3, A and B points are given. We have to measure the bearing of B from A. So measure the bearing of B from A will be this angle, and we have to take measurement of this angle. So we can turn like this and put a protractor over here. So this measurement, if you check over here, is 110, 11, 12 and 13. So 113. So this will be 113 degrees. So we can write answer as 113 degrees. Find the value of this one, 24 squared. So 24 squared will be equal to 576. So 576 will be the answer. Then B part is cube root of 2197. This will be equal to 13. So this will be answer as 13. So question number 4 is done. Probability question. A bag contains 3 green balls, 4 red balls and 1 blue ball. So total balls are 3 plus 4 7 plus 1 8 balls are there. Matt takes a ball from the bag at random. Some probabilities are given. The scale is given. So they are saying write down the letter that shows the probability that Matt takes a red ball. So probability for red ball will be 4 divided by the total one, which is 4 over 8, which is equal to 1 by 2 or 0.5. So 0.5 will be this one. So we can circle E and we can write here E. And then Matt does not take a blue ball. So probability for blue is 1 over 8. So we can subtract 1 minus 1 over 8 will be equal to 7 over 8, and this will be 7 over 8 will be 0.875. So in this case 7 by 8 we can circle H. So H will be the probability. Then question number, Sarah walks from home to school. The travel graph shows her journey, and this is the travel graph provided, this one, and this is home, then this is school, and they're saying Sarah stops at a shop on her way to school, and this is the shop because this is the stoppage which graph is showing. Find the distance of the shop from the home. So distance of shop from home, we can check distance will be over mark over here. So this mark is 1.2 kilometers. So we can write 1.2 2 kilometers. Then find the distance of the shop from her home is done. School starts at 8:55. So 8:55 will be, this is 8:50, so 8:55 will be this one. Then they are saying find the number of minutes between the time Sarah arrives at school and the time school starts. So she arrived school at this point, which is this time, and this is 8:45. So from 8:45 and school starts at 8:55. So this is 8:55. So it will be 10 minutes. 8:55 minus 8:45. It will be 10 minutes time in between that one. So question number 7, write these in order of size starting with the smallest. We can convert all into fractions to compare. So 7 divided by 8 will be equal to 0.875 and 5 divided by 7 will be 0.0.714 and this is 0.8, this will be 0.8 as it is, and 78% will be equal to 0.78. This will be 0.78. So this is the smallest one which we can write first, 5/7. Then next is 0.78, which is 78%. This is also done. Then third one will be 0.8, which is this 0.8, and the biggest one is 7/8. Question number 8, the table shows how children in Ivan's class travel to school. This is the detail given, and Ivan wants to draw a pie chart, and we have to give sector angle for this segment. So this will be 12 over the total one, which is we can add 12 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4. 12 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4, this will be equal to 32. So 12 divided by 32 multiplied by 360, which is angle for a pie chart. So this will be 12 divided by 32 multiplied by 360. This will be equal to 135. So our answer will be 135 degrees. Question number 9, Rashid changes 30,000 rupees to dollars. When the exchange rate is this one, how many dollars does he receive? So we'll be dividing 30,000 by the conversion ratio, which is 68.14, and after division our answer will be 68.14. So answer will be 440.27. 440.27. So 440 we can write as answer. Complete the statement. 3.8 kg will be multiplied by 1000. So 3.8 multiplied by 1000 will be equal to 3500 grams, and 1.4 will be multiplied by 100 and also multiply by 100, because this is centimeter square, we have to convert into meter square. So this will be 1, 4 and 000 as answer. Question number 11, Kiran leaves home at 9:45 a.m. She drives 135 kilometer. This is the distance, and to visit a friend. She arrives at her friend's house at this time. This is AM, this is also AM. So work out her average speed. Speed, you know, is equal to, speed is equal to distance over time, which is equal to 135 divided by this time, and time is 11, 15 minus 9, 45. So we will simplify this. 135 divided by 11 hours and 15 minutes minus 9 hours and 45 minutes. So this will be equal to 90. So answer is 90 over here. And question number 12, scatter graph is given. Scatter diagram shows the age and value of each of 10 cars, all of same model. So this is given by drawing a line of best fit. Estimate the value of a car that is 6 years old. So we have to draw a line of best fit. So we will be drawing a line of best fit like this one. We can draw line of best fit over here. So this can be this one. So after this one we have to check, we have to estimate the value of a car that is 6 years. 6 year is this one. So it will be up to this one. We can mark the reference point, and a reference point is indicating that the price will be this, which is in between 6,000 and this will be, we can write it as 7,000. The price will be $7,000. Question number 13, find the value of this expression. This is given 6 raised to the power 0 means 1 and 6 raised to the power 2 means 36. So this will be equal to 37. Our answer will be 37. Then 5 raised to the power minus 4, we can use calculator. 5 raised to the power minus 4 is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Then question number 14, shade 2 more small squares to give a pattern with exactly one line of symmetry. Exactly one line of symmetry. So if we shade this box, like if you check this one and this one, if we shade this one, there will be one line of symmetry you can draw like this. So both sides will be equal. So we can even check by drawing a line of symmetry like this one. So these two portions will be equal and exactly same to each other. B part, complete the description of the pattern. The pattern has lines of symmetry, one line of symmetry and two lines of symmetry. So only two lines of symmetry, and the order of rotational symmetry is also 2, because if you rotate, how we can check? We can check by tracing paper, like for example putting over here and making the diagram like this one, and after drawing this we can shade. This portion is shaded and this portion is also shaded, and we can rotate this. If we start from this one, this is 1, so this will not be fixing anywhere, only the shaded part will fix over here. That's all. Only two positions, so two order of rotational symmetry is 2. Now question number 15, write down mode. These numbers are given. If you check, 8 is repeated twice, rest of everything is not repeating. So 8 will be the mode. Mode mean most occurring. Calculate the mean. For mean we will be adding all these numbers, and if we add, like for example 18 plus 13 plus 15 plus 8, plus 9 plus 17 plus 12 plus 8 plus 6 plus 14 and divide by the numbers. How many numbers? 10 students. So 10 divided by 10. So we can add them. 18 plus 13 plus 15 plus 8 plus 9 plus 17 plus 12 and plus 8 and plus 6 plus 14. This is equal to 120. So 120 divided by 10, 0 will be cancelled, so answer will be 12. So mean will be 12. Question number 16. Measurements are given. The diagram shows a cuboid. These are the measurements. Calculate the surface area. So for surface area, we can check this one. This side is 12 and height is 4. So this side and this side, two opposite sides we can take first. This will be 2 into 4 into 12. And then we can take this back portion and this front portion. So we can take these two opposite sides. This will be 2 into 15 into 12. 15 into 4 basically. 15 into 4. And then we'll take the base and the top. Base and the top will be 15 into 12. So this will be the area, this will be the surface area which we can check. 2 into 4 into 12 plus 2 into 15 into 4 and plus 15 multiplied by 12. This will be equal to 396. So we can write here 396 as answer. Now question number 17. We'll have to check. We have done some miscalculation, I think. So we have to check again our calculation. This is 12 into 15. Yeah, we missed 2 over here. Over here at this location we missed 2, and this will be equal to 576. So our answer is basically, rest of everything is correct, only this one we will write here, 576. Now question number 16. Without using a calculator, work out these two fractions. So 8 3s are 14, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 5 will be 29. So 29 over 8 minus 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 will be 5. So 5 by 3, and we can take LCM as 24, and this will be 3 into 29, and this will be 5 into 8. This one will be equal to, so we can take fraction. So this will be 3 multiplied by 29 and minus 5 multiplied by 8 over 24 will be equal to 1 9, or we can take the mixed number, which is 1 whole 23 by 24. 1 whole 23 by 24. 1 whole 23 over 24 will be our answer to this question. Now question number 18. This is investment. Jawair invests $750, 3 years, and rate is this one, compound interest, and 3 years. So compound interest formula, A is equal to P into 1 plus R over 100 and raised to power T. This will be equal to 750 is the principal amount which is invested. 1 plus rate is 1.8 over 100 raised to the power will be 3 years. So we can calculate this. 750 into 1 plus fraction 1.8 over 100, and this will be raised to the power 3. This will be equal to 791.23. 791.23. So our answer will be 791. Question number 19. This is the right angle triangle is given. You have to find this x. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square mean 8.5 squared will be equal to 3.9 squared plus x squared. So we can write this x square is equal to, I'll move page a little above so that you can see properly. So x square will be equal to 8.5 squared minus 3.9 squared, and x will be equal to under root of 8.5 squared minus 3.9 squared, and this will be the calculator which will be helping us. So 8.5 squared plus sorry, not plus, minus 3.9 squared will be equal to 7.55. 7.55. So answer will be 7.55. Now next, question number 20. The line L is shown on the grid. This line is shown. Find the gradient of the line. Gradient of the line is this one. We can take the triangle to find the gradient, and we can take this portion of the triangle. We'll have to take basically more than half of the line, at least half, not less than half of the line. And this is the triangle which we have made for estimating the gradient, and rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So rise is 6 units and run is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So this will be, gradient will be equal to rise over run. So this will be, rise will be equal to 6 over 4, which is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 mean 1.5, and this will be 1.5 gradient over here. So for B part, find the equation of the line in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, which is equation of line in slope intercept form. Gradient we already know, and we know from here that line is passing through this 1. So c value is equal to 1, and m value we have already found is equal to 1.5. So y is equal to m, which is 1.5, x plus c. So we can write here 1.5 or 3.2, it's the same thing. So y is equal to 1.5 y plus c value, basically this will be 1. So we can write here 1. This will be an equation of line required. And next is 21. Question number 21. They have given these drawings. The diagram shows some quadrilaterals are given, and we have to complete the statements. Quadrilateral, which one is rhombus? If we check, this is rhombus. So we can write here C. Quadrilateral A. Quadrilateral A is trapezium. So we can write here trapezium. And next is quadrilateral, and this one are congruent. Which two are congruent? If we check B and G, these two are congruent, so our answer will be B and G. And quadrilaterals, and this are similar. So which two are similar? This one and this one is similar, so D and F are similar. So we can write here DF. Then question number 22. Esme buys X magazines at $2.45 each and Y cards at this price. So write down an expression in terms of X and Y for total cost of the magazine. So 2.45 multiplied by X, so you can write X. 2.45 into X, this X magazines, plus 3.15 into Y. This will be the expression we can write here 2.45x plus 3.15y, and that's all. This will be the answer. Then Esme spends 60.55 in total, and she buys 8 magazines. How many cards does she buy? So for this question, what we can do, we know this is the price, and this is the equation which we know, which is 2.45x plus 3.15y, the equation which we have done in A part, and they are saying this is the total amount invested, which is 60.55. This is the basically total amount spent, and 8 are the magazines, so we can replace x by 8. So this will be our modified equation. 3.15y, we can send this to other side, is equal to 60.55 minus 2.45 into 8, and y will be equal to 60.55 minus 22.45 into 8 divided by 3.15, and this is the calculator which will be helping us. So we can write 60.55 minus 2.45 into 8 and divided by 3.15. This will be equal to 13. So our answer will be 13. Now the next question, which is 23, the diagram shows a scale drawing of Lee's garden, PQRS. This PQRS is the garden. The scale is a centimeter. 1 centimeter represents 2 meters. 1 centimeter represents 2 meters. Lee has a bird table. In the garden is equidistance from PQ and QR. PQ and QR, equidistance. It means we have to find angle bisector of this PQ and QR. So we will be finding the angle bisector for this side. So what we will be doing, we will be making an arc like this one, and then we will be opening this more, and we can make 2 arcs which are intersecting like this. So this is the point which we found. We'll be joining this point like this one. So this point and this point, this is basically the angle bisector which we have drawn. Now they are saying next condition is what? Next condition, they are saying 13 meter from R. 13 meter from R. So 13 meter by this scale will be 13 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2 will be 6.5. So 13 divided by 2 will be 6.5. So we will open compass 6.5. If we check from here, this is exactly 6.5. Now from R, this is R, so we will be making an arc starting from here till here. So this is done. 13 meters we have done this. Now construct the position of the bird table. We have to show the position of the bird table. So we can extend this, basically this arc we can extend up to this one. So this will be the position where it will be intersecting. So this will be the position of the table. Hope you understood each and everything, and if you like the video, just press bell icon button and subscribe Maths TV. You will be getting intimation for new videos and topic wise questions also. Thank you very much for watching Maths TV. Take care. Bye.